Exporting data. There are 3 export options on the Standard Jobs page. These options allow you to export information in a variety of formats. We're going to look at the print function first. Clicking on the print button will open the print window. This is where you can decide what standard job data to export. This function allows you to easily export data for external invoicing or reporting. You can also export exactly as much or as little data as you require. Let's begin by looking at what options are available here. You have the ability to limit the number of rows in your export document. You can have as few as 10 or as many as 20,000 rows. This allows you to adjust the amount of information to your exact specifications. You can also choose which file format to use. Let's look at how to use this function. First, you need to select the jobs to include. To do this, simply check the boxes for the desired jobs. You can select each job individually. Or clicking the box next to the header job reference will include all jobs on this page. This will also include the jobs on all other pages. There are several other ways to organize what you export. First, we can sort the information by any of the headers. Simply click on the header to sort the column alphanumerically. Let's try sorting by deadline. You can also filter the statuses that are shown. Just select the desired statuses from the drop-down menu. Now let's look at the file format options. You can choose from Excel, XML, or JSON. The final customization available is choosing which columns to include. Click on Customize Columns to open the pop-up window. You can specify what information and in which order it should be included. Each piece of information has a title, description, and an ID for the JSON and XML formats. By default, the job and project reference are the first 2 columns. You can add columns by checking its box. You can also reorder the information. Simply use the up and down arrows to adjust the list. Once you have decided what type of information and in which order it should appear, close the Customize Columns and download your selected format. The file will appear in your browser's download folder. Let's take a quick look at our exported Excel. Here we see all the selected information in a table. Using Excel's built-in filtration, we can further specify what information to look at. This information can then be imported into your external invoicing software or other internal reporting systems.